then this leads us up to our last one, the cider, which is the one I'm kind of most looking forward to. Because this is just going to be... First, and you notice I got a bigger bowl this time. Because see, in my mind, when I started thinking about this, I started thinking, what can I do to kind of amplify those flavors? So then that's when I got the cider, and of course with apples, I'm thinking apple pie. I'm gonna put some cinnamon in there. We got a dash of nutmeg. And then I'm not measuring this, I just decided last minute, put a little bit of pecans in there. And then I'm going to take some apple pie filling. I'm going to drain out most of it because we want most of our liquid to come from the beer. I guess we really can't drain out much of that. Pour the beer in there. Sorry, the cider. We'll take that lid off. Now I'm still gonna put in, we'll make this full like dessert bread. Put in that sugar there. I'm gonna kind of take a knife, kind of dice it through there. Kind of cut up some of those apple pieces from the can. And also kind of use it to get all those apple slices out. I have a feeling this might take the longest to cook out of all of them, especially because we're going straight up dessert with this. And then I'm going to get me a new spoon for this. Get all that, whoop, making a mess. When it right on the screen it's on. Okay. Yeah. Now we got the apple pie cider bread. This already weighs more than the other one. Hear that nice sizzle. So we get all that goodness out in there. I mean, it is looking like bread. See, what I'm really hoping is like this be something that we go good with like vanilla ice cream or something like that. You look at that guy. It's definitely taking up the most space, but also had the most stuff to it. Just that cinnamon, apple-y smell coming off of it. That looks like something you could even have like in a restaurant. If you had like a family style, or made it much smaller with you know, some vanilla ice cream or something else. Then we're gonna let this cool off, and then we're gonna try this one down here with the cider bread that I put all the apple pie filling and everything in. And yeah, like I said, this would go great with like vanilla ice cream or something like that. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.